Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm my humble self, Satori the young teacher. Today I'll be lecturing the subject biology under the topic ecology. Now what is ecology? Now from me as I write. Ecology is the study of plants and animals in relation to their environment. And let's take it one more time. Ecology is the study of plants and animals in relation to their environment. Yes, this is what ecology is talking about. And ecology is derived from, or was derived from, two Greek words, namely oikos and logos. Oikos meaning dwelling place or home, while logos meaning study or knowledge. Bringing the two terms together etymologically and scientifically, we can deduce that ecology is the study of organisms at home. However, it's quite apparent for us to note that the word ecology was coined in 1866 by a man called Ernst Haeckel, who, however, upon coining the name ecology, defined it as a body of knowledge concerning the economy of nature and the investigations of the total relations of plants and animals to their inorganic and organic environment. In light of this, let's now quickly move over to the branches of ecology. Branches of ecology. Now, number one we have on our list is the horticulture. Now, what is this horticulture? The horticulture is the study of a single species or individual organism in relation to their environment. Example of what horticulture entails is the study of habitats, requirements of fishes, which you know, for those of you that are engaging or doing so, you should know that there is quite apparent for you to have a provision of water as well as food during the course of the study. So that's what horticulture is talking about. Number two we have on our list is the sign ecology. Now, what is this psychology? Psychology is the study of the interrelationship between groups of organisms in relation to their environment. Examples of what ecology is talking about or is intending is the study of forest ecosystem, whereby we will be looking into how organisms in the forest compete for limited resources within their environment and so on. That will be treating a subsequent lecture that will be having in this very channel. Are you with me? So do ensure you keep on your notification button, subscribe, and also share to your friends to benefit from the lectures we're going to be getting in this very and exposing as well in this very channel. In light of this, Let's then move over to the next subtopic, which is the basic ecological concept. Now, number one, we have on our list on the basic ecological concept, otherwise the basic terms used in ecology. Number one we have is the habitat. Now, what is this habitat? The habitat is a dwelling place of an organism. Also, a habitat is the natural home of an organism. We have four major types of habitats, namely terrestrial habitats, aquatic habitats, arboreal habitat, and aerial habitat. Now, what is this terrestrial habitat? Terrestrial habitat involves organisms that live on land. Example, the lions, the elephants, and we human beings. The aquatic habitat, otherwise, is and refers to those organisms that lives in the sea, in the water. Are you with me? And they include fishes, whales, prawns, crayfish, etc. The other one we have is the arboreal habitat. The arboreal habitat refers to those organisms that live on tree. Examples are the monkeys, the chameleons, the squirrels, the tree frogs, some birds, etc. Now the other one is what? The aerial habitat. The aerial habitat refers to those organisms that spend most of their lifetime on air. Examples are the eagles, pigeons, bats, butterfly, etc. In light of this, let's move over to the number two we have. Number two we have on our list is the ecological niche. Now, what is this ecological niche? The ecological niche, however, refers to the functional role of an organism in its community, the functional role an organism perform in its community. Now, number three we have on our list is the environment. Now, what is this environment? The environment refers to the total surroundings of an organism. We move over to number four. Number four we have on our list is population. Now, what is population? Population refers to the total number of organisms of the same species occupying a given area at a given time. In light of this, we move over to our number five. And our number five is community. Community. Now, what is this community? A community is a group of population in a given or occupying a given area. A group of population occupying a given area. Number six we have on our list is the species. You know, this term is quite familiar and you are quite conversant with it for those of you following up my channel. Now, what is the species? Now, the species is a group of closely related organisms that can freely interbreed with each other. For those of you looking and aspiring towards knowing what this is talking about, can fall back on our channel on classifications of living things. There we elaborated this the more. Now, number seven we have on list is the biosphere. Now, what is this biosphere talking about? The biosphere is the part or the zone of the earth where life exists. In light of this, move over to our number eight, which we have on our list, which is what? The lithosphere. Now, what is this lithosphere? The lithosphere is the solid part of the earth. Are you hearing me? And it's made up, the lithosphere is made up of rocks, and minerals, which, however, makes up 30% of the Earth surface. Are you hearing me? So this for lithosphere. Please pardon me as I clean here. I want us to have full knowledge on the basic ecological concept involved in ecology. Number 9 we have on our list is the hydrosphere. Now, what is this hydrosphere? The hydrosphere refers to the water part of the Earth and is made up of 70% of the Earth's surface and crust. Are you hearing me? And it's also, as it makes up the 70% of the Earth's surface, it makes up it in form of solid as in ice, liquid as in water, and gases as in water vapors. These are the forms by which water take to make up the Earth's surfaces. Now, the next we have on our list is the atmosphere. Now, what is this atmosphere? The atmosphere is the air or gaseous portion of the Earth and is made up of 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, 0.3% of carbon dioxide, and 0.87% of other gases, which hydrogen is among them. In light of this info, let's move on to our number 11, which is the biotic factor. Now, what is this biotic factor? The biotic factor is a factor in the environment that is related to the living component of the environment. Example is parasitism. Now, what is this parasitism? The parasitism is an interaction whereby one organism benefits while the other, called the host, is harmed and affected. Example is the tapeworm found in the body of a human being. So this is what parasitism is talking about. So this is one of an example. Parasitism, however, is an example of what biotic factor entails. Now, number 12 we have on our list is the abiotic factor. Now, what is this abiotic factor? The abiotic factor is a factor of an environment that relates to the non-living part of the environment. Example is the kinetic conditions, the temperature, the rainfall. This refers to the abiotic factors of the environment. Now, number 13, which is the last but not the least, we have is the ecosystem. Now, what is this ecosystem? The ecosystem is the study of living organisms in relation to their non-living physical environment. Are you hearing me? So, and by thus, we have successfully come to the end of today's very lecture. Remember, at the end of this lecture, we are able to discuss extensively on ecology as well as the branches and basic ecological concepts involved in ecology. Thank you. Remember, our goal still remains read and think strategically. And to think strategically involves thinking wise, and thinking wise, however, involves thinking smart. Thank you. Until see you in the next video. Bye.